So today we're going to announce the final round, the top 5 teams uh, that are here for Top Builder Season 2. They're going to be presenting at Startup Day on March 13th, um, and it's going to be amazing. We have a full slate of stuff going on. These teams have been working really hard since December. So like it's going to be kind of graduation in a lot of ways, and um, so yeah, if you're interested in checking out the final round of Top Builder, head to Austin for South by Southwest on March 13th and get a ticket. Right now, we have them on Eventu for $99 if you use Lightning only. We also have them on our website if you're using like if you want to pay fiat, you can get them there too with like Zeprite. Okay, so we're gonna dive into the final round of Top Builder. But before we do that, I updated the numbers last night. So at this point, we have 640 students enrolled in PlebLab courses, 161 founders, developers, and creatives in our chat, 65 new Bitcoin projects since 24-25. That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work being done in the ecosystem. We're coming up on our 17th startup day, and I should say 17th startup days and hackathon since founded, but we're coming up on our 5th startup day um, since 2022. The other thing is we're at 280 plus workshops for founders and developers. So if you're interested in like finding out even more information on how to build your project, how to build a company, how to build anything in Bitcoin, head over to our YouTube channel or head just to plebtv.com, and all that available content is right there for you to learn and to start building. Um, couldn't be a better place to go and learn. And then 5 startups will become a part of Startup Day here in Austin on March 13th. Yeah, so just a recap of who we are. PlebLab is founder-led and founder-focused. We're providing resources and mentorship to drive impactful Bitcoin companies. So you probably see that and you're like, what does that mean? Well, we're a community of founders here at PlebLab, and we all help and drive each other and push ourselves to the limits on what we want to accomplish in Bitcoin. So it doesn't matter if it's Uncle Jim right here in the corner. He's giving me advice. He's giving Keon advice. We're all giving each other advice. And that's what's great about PlebLab is like iron sharpens iron. There's not one single person who's the genius in the room. We're all individually creative and genius in our own way. And so we all try to do what we can to make sure that we're all at the same level, if not trying to push each other to get to the next level. So that's what's great about PlebLab. And that's why you see such amazing talent that comes through here, is because we push each other to the limits. If you're interested in joining PlebLab, head over to pleblab.com and hit apply. We'll be taking applications. So yeah, just some key metrics for Top Builder Season 2. We had 243 application views, 35 completed submissions. We successfully onboarded 17 projects this time. And we had a lot of interviews, got a lot of impressions on all the platforms and stuff like that. But I think, if I'm being completely honest, I think this year's Top Builder Season 2 has been a lot tougher than last year's. It just feels like a lot more stronger teams this time around. And then I felt like last year there was a lot of strong teams as well too, but this year just feels completely different. Um, all right, let's get into it. So we're about to announce PlebLab Top Builder Season 2 final round teams. Again, I want to say to all the people that participate in Top Builder, all the teams that are watching this right now at home, like the heart of PlebLab goes out to you. We know how hard it is to build Bitcoin companies. It's only gotten harder. In 21, it was way easier to build a Bitcoin company. I feel like these days it's like really difficult. So you're fighting the good fight. You are a part of this revolution that's happening in front of us for the rest of the world to watch. And I would just say, just keep at it, and just keep building, being a top builder, and just be the best builder you can be. If there's anything that we can do at PlebLab to help you, like reach out. All right, here we go. The first team to that's going to be here in Austin on March 13th. Here we go. The first team is Jippy. Congratulations, Oliver. You did it, dude. Wow. Got a round of applause here. The second team is Branta. Congratulations. Congratulations to Keith, that team. Um, Incredible. The third team, we got three teams, or we got three more teams to go. The third team is Shopster. Wow. Cow. Congrats, dude. All right, here we go. The number four team. Number four team is Sats GG. Congratulations, Chad. I don't know if you guys saw, but what he's doing is like creating his own protocol. It's pretty freaking cool. The final team, to make the final round. And I will just say this was freaking hard. Like there was like 4 or 5 teams on the bubble, and it was so difficult. We were back and forth. Um, and so but at the end of the day, um, it just this is how it came, this is how it played out. The final team that will be here on March 13th on Thursday in Austin to compete for the final round is Lightning Bounties. Congrats, guys. Y'all did it. And that's all the top 5 teams for startup day. Like I said, it'll be here on March 13th on Thursday here in Austin at South by Southwest. Come through. You're about to witness history. Last year's team that won was Yopaki, and now he's building out a Bitcoin exchange in Latin America. Anything's possible. Here we go. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for attending, and we'll see you here in Austin.